Welcome back with this power tower question. When a number is raised to the power, raised to the power, raised to the power. So how to deal with this type of nested power question? We are going to solve it. Let's get started and see. Square root of 2 raised to power 6 raised to power 2 raised to power 1 raised to power 4 raised to power 4. We have to find the value of it. We are going to solve the topmost powers first. So it will be equal to 2 raised to power 6 raised to power 2 raised to power 1, and we know that 4 raised to power 4 is 256. Now we are going to solve topmost power, mean 1 raised to power 256. So it is equal to 2 raised to power 6 raised to power 2 and 1 raised to power 256 is 1 again. Now the topmost power is 2 raised to power 1. So that is equal to 2. Now 6 raised to power 2 is 36. 2 raised to power 36, which is equal to 2 raised to power 18. That is the final and required answer. I hope now you can solve the nested powers. If you have any query, write in the comment box. Thanks for watching.